Our challenge for the next day is to find moose and take the perfect moose picture. We did our research and we have a complete list of best spots to see wildlife in Grand Teton National Park. And there is one trick that you need to do in order to get to the best place. But no worries, I will show you how to do this. This is the first area that you can spot a variety of wildlife. However, we are a little scared because this is the area you can also spot a bear. What's that? There are some marks on the trail. It looks like herbivorous animal. Yeah, that's definitely herbivore animal. But it should be somewhere over here. What was that? What have I heard? It's just an elk. There was a nice view on the trail, so if you are here, I highly recommend it, but we only spot one elk. So now we are heading to our other location. Mooses like water, meadow, and trees here and there. So this looks like a very good place for a moose. This path is much less popular, so there is much smaller chance that other people will scare away the animals. Unfortunately, no mooses here this time. Before continuing to other locations, we are heading back to our campsite to grab some food and take some rest. Also, our cats are a little bored, so they also need a break. What was that? We just saw a people watching the trees over there. I think there is a moose. Over there in the distance. Yes. It's over there. It's very, very far away, so you can see it only through binoculars or through the zoom of the lens. Oh, moose stood up. And it's starting to eat. Yeah, he is eating. Oh, there is another one. There are two of them. Wait, they are going in our direction. Whoa, so cool. Our cats are getting crazy. They just noticed them. They are watching mooses through the window. Whoa, yeah, this is so cool. We have to be very quiet. Wow, they're literally only a few meters ahead of us. That's so cool. Wow. No way that we were so lucky. We tried different locations, hiking, but our campsite ended up to be the best spot ever. But there's one important thing about this campsite. So to have this perfect place to observe wildlife and mooses, you have to reserve this first line that is over here. I've put all other places to observe wildlife below in the description.